Hey everyone, welcome back to my studio. I'm your host Gavin. Today we're going to show you an unboxing video for the Neewer overhead camera mount for the desk. This model is called the ST3 from Neewer and it's retail about $50 US or about $80 Canadian. It looks like there's nothing to see on the outside, so let's get to the unboxing. So that is the quick user guide, and this is like the seat clamp so that you clamp onto my desk. The reason I've picked this model is because you can clamp it to a thicker desk, which is what I have right now. And it supports up to 11 pounds of equipment. Let's see. So looks like everything is all pre-assembled, and then it also comes with multi-adapter if you have any other equipment that use different threads. And it has some cable tie as well. So I have everything all set up right here. So right now I have the Sony ZV-E10 with the Sigma 18 to 55 mm zoom lens. So as you see, everything is all tightened and it's pretty stable. So I guess once I learn how to shoot the video, and I'm gonna start using the phone to do, the camera to do my videos. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.